Hello and welcome back. I hope that you're all having an amazing day today. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, we are actually going to be taking a look at the June Cocotique box. So if you're interested in seeing what came inside of this month's box, stay tuned. For those of you who are not familiar with Cocotique, it is a monthly beauty and lifestyle subscription box which specializes in products for women of color. Now each month you receive between 5 and 8 deluxe and or full-size products which range from anywhere from hair care, makeup, or skincare, or whatever else they decide to put in the box. The cost of the subscription box is $25 per month and the shipping is free. Now let's go ahead and dive in and see what we got. When you receive your box each month, it does come inside of a brown box like so. And inside you will find the bag with your products nice and neatly packaged there. And here's what the bag looks like this month. And it says, channel your inner beauty, love your textured hair. And it has Cocotique X Innate Hair Care Collection and hashtag love yourself. The first thing I'm pulling out of the bag is the card for this month, and it says Urban Therapy Innate Takeover Box Hair Care Collection, channel your inner beauty. And then there is a long message there from the founder and CEO, Dana Robinson. And then on the other side of the card is a listing of all of the products that are in the box this month. The first product I'm pulling out is from Underguard, and it says Refresh, perfect for active men and teens. It looks like a sample size, and it's a cleansing cloth, and it says flushable and biodegradable. That's what that looks like. And on the back it says Underguard masculine hygiene products. We wipe our hands of racism. We wipe our hands of hate. We wipe our hands of injustice. Today we stand for hope. We stand for love. We stand for freedom. We stand with our community in the hope that one day in our generation we will see a change. This gift is for you to share with the man in your life who needs to know that there are people who are standing with them and for them in this fight. We are giving away wipes as a way to show our support during this difficult time in our community. If you know someone who needs a wipe, have them visit underguardwipes.com. We wanted to take a moment to give back. Okay, products designed for men from women. All right. Really nice message there on the back. Again, that's what that looks like. The next item I am pulling out of the bag is from Twisted Sister, and it's the luxurious clarifying shampoo with coconut, avocado, and almond oils. And it says cleanses, hydrates, and nourishes for all kinds of curls and textures. On the back of the bottle it says Twisted What? A clarifying shampoo that cleans deeply, removing product buildup while hydrating thirsty hair. Twisted Why? Salon Inspired, London certified, the sulfate-free shampoo infused with coconut, avocado, and almond oil seals in moisture and helps prevent future drying. And Twisted How? Deliver a small amount of product to wet hair, creating a luxurious lather. Massage hair gently, rinse and repeat when desired. All right, this sounds really good because it sounds like it can be used on any hair type, so I can actually use this on my relaxed hair, so I'm excited about that. I love getting products that I can try out as well, and like I said, those that are only for natural hair, I just pass them along to my daughter. But this one I'm gonna keep. Let's see how it smells. This one has a nice soft scent. It's not really overpowering at all, but it smells fresh, like really refreshing and soft. Really nice. I like it. The value of the shampoo is $12.99. So the next item I'm pulling out of the box is from Urban Therapy Innate Hair Collection, and it's the Fix Hold Mist. And it says, channel your inner beauty, love your textured hair. On the back it says to hold this 4 to 8 inches away from your hair, spray evenly over all finished styles, and reapply as desired to hold on to the look you want all day long. And here's what that looks like. Let me go ahead and spray this real quick just to see what it smells like. Ah, there it is. Oh, that smells really, really good. Really good. I'm not sure what the scent is, but I really like it. It almost smells kind of, oh, it smells really springy to me. I really like the way this smells. Okay, I'm excited about this as well. Another product that I can use. This holding mist is also full size, and the value of this is $10.99. The next item out of the bag is again from the Innate Hair Collection, and it's the Anti-Frizz Straightening Cream. And let's see what it says about this. It says, for our Cocoa Bells who like to wear their hair straight, this soft, lightweight cream helps to prevent split ends and frizz while protecting hair from up to 450-degree heat. The cream's finishing coat nurtures your hair's shape, flow, and shine. I'm excited about this as well. This is the most products that I've gotten in one bag from Cocotique that I can use on my relaxed hair, so I'm super excited about this month's bag. Let me go ahead and smell this and see what it smells like. Again, a really nice soft scent, not overpowering, but it smells really fresh and really good. I'm looking forward to trying this out. And this contains 8 ounces. It is full size, and the retail value on this is $10.99 as well. The next item I'm pulling out of the bag is from Reshma, and it's a face wash, a honey and lemon face wash, and it says purifying and healing, helps to clear skin, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Okay, and that's what that looks like. Now we have gotten some things from them before. I believe I've gotten a face wash or 2 in previous bags from them, and I did try it and I really did like it. This is a different kind. This one has honey and lemon, so I'm excited to try this as well. Let's go ahead and smell it. Oh, it does have a safety seal on it, guys. Okay, so this just smells really kind of clean to me. It smells like you would expect a face wash to smell, if that makes any kind of sense. I'm looking forward to trying this when I run out of the face wash that I'm currently using. And this is full size, and the retail value of this face wash is $6.99. The next item I'm pulling out of the bag is from Urban Therapy Innate Hair Care Collection again, and it is an anti-frizz texture cream. And it says, create a frizz-free look with this styling cream for waves and curls, formulated with moisturizing benefits that helps to reduce air drying time. And here's what that looks like. And of course, you know, I'm going to smell it again real quick. It smells pretty much like the other one smelled. Like I said, a really nice soft scent, not overpowering, but really, really nice. And this is full size, which is 8 ounces, and the price of this is $10.99. The next item I'm pulling out of the bag is a mini Jayde facial roller, and this is absolutely adorable. Look at that. Super tiny. This looks like it would be great to kind of get right up underneath your eyes. Let's see what it says about this. This facial roller is sure to be your new BFF. It is conveniently travel friendly due to its mini size, yet still packs all of the depuffing and circulating enhancing punches of a full size roller. And the retail value of this is $8, guys. I think it is super cute. I don't want to take it out of the package right now. I don't want to do that until I'm ready to use it, but I'm really excited about this. Like I said, it looks like it's the perfect size to really get up underneath here really good. So looking forward to using this. The next item we have, again, is from Urban Therapy Innate Hair Collection, and it is the Instant Hydrating Conditioner. And that's what that looks like. And this is 12 ounces, which I'm sure is full size. And it says, this highly moisturizing conditioner features complex plants and essential oils that instantly repair and protect your hair and scalp in 3 minutes or less. And to use this, it says, apply from the root to tips, massaging gently, detangle with a paddle brush, use as a curl styler for all day volume and bounce. This is a really nice size bottle. The value of this is $10.99. Since I smelled everything else, I may as well go ahead and smell this too. And again, it smells like the other products in this line. Really nice, fresh scent. Okay guys, we're down to the last 2 items in the bag, and the next one we're pulling out is from Kiss New York, and it is the Glow and Bronze Cream for face and body, and this is in the color Deep. Let's go ahead and open it up real quick so we can see what it looks like. It is safety sealed, which is nice. And here's what that color looks like, guys. It is a really pretty deep bronze color. Let's go ahead and rub it in. Ooh, look at that. When I rub it in, it looks more copper to me. Look at that. Very, very pretty. Now, I'm not sure if this might be just a little too deep for me. I could probably mix it with something else and really make it work. And like I said, you can use this on your face or your body. So I look forward to using this. I would love to use it on my body if we could get out and go somewhere, but it looks like the summer may be pretty shot and mostly indoors. But anyway, that's what that looks like. And this is 1.01 ounces, which is full size and retails for $7.99. The last item in the bag is a mascara, and it says from Ruby Kisses RK Volumizing Waterproof Mascara, and it says a waterproof volumizing mascara with bristle brush application. And this is full size and it retails for $5.99, and I'm assuming this is in the color black. Yes, it is black. Now, I really don't want to open this because I have a ton of mascaras already open, and I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or if I'm going to pass it on to someone else. Okay guys, so that was everything that came in this month's Cocotique box, and just to recap real quick, we got the mini facial roller, which was valued at $8. We got the Underguard wipe for men, which was just an added bonus in the box. We got the Glowing Bronze Cream, which is valued at $7.99. We got the Twisted Sister Clarifying Shampoo, which is valued at $8.99. We got the Reshma Face Wash, which is $6.99. And then we got 4 products from the Innate Hair Care collection. The first one being the Instant Hydrating Conditioner, which is $10.99. We got the Anti-Frizz Texture Cream, which is also $10.99. We got the Fix Hold Mist, which again is $10.99. And then we got the Anti-Frizz Straightening Cream, which is also $10.99. I come up with a total box value of $75.93. I think the value of the box was really good this month, and I really like all of the products that came inside of the box. I will definitely get some use out of most of them, and those that I can't use, I will pass on to someone else. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this month's box. If you don't receive Cocotique but you'd like some more information, I'll go ahead and leave a link to them down in the description box below. Well, that's everything that I have for today. I thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, guys, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.